Hello guys, this is all new Victor TVS. I install a engine kill switch. Now system is off. After owning this, this is a very simple system. You don't need to open anything, you don't need to cut any wire. This wire I make. This wire is connected to the switch, which works as a hazard lamp. I converted into a engine kill switch. This is the coil having two wires. One is ground and one is positive. The orange one is positive. You need to break this connection only. Look at this. Look at this. This and this. You don't need to cut anything. You just need to use this pin to open the connections. And here is a color code for locating button. The color code is purple and green. Purple and green. These two wires. You have to join this purple and green wire parallel. This wire is coming to here, and one connected to here and one connected to here. This will work fine. This is on. Bike on. Now I'm putting it off. Engine is off. One more time. Off and then on. On. Off. Thank you for watching.